Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft not launching easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, first type here Minecraft, and now you will find here Minecraft launcher. Right click on it and then go to app settings, scroll down until you find here reset, click on it and click reset here, and after that close this window. And now just try to launch Minecraft and your problem must be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, let's move to the next step. Type here background apps, and now just turn off the first option here, and that's it. Just make sure to turn off all those applications here and restart your PC. And after restarting your PC, your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.